Hey everybody, it's late. I just want to make a quick video, and I want to ask you a quick question. So, how many of you have had either your friends or family or other gig workers approach you and try to recruit you into a network marketing opportunity? So, leave me a comment below and tell me about your experience with that. And then I just want to ask you one other quick question. If you could flip the script on them when they come to you to recruit you and make money off of them, is that something you'd be interested in doing? And if it is, stick around and I'll tell you at the end of this video exactly how you can do that. So I've been watching a lot of content from other, gig workers and Instacart shoppers and Amazon Flex drivers and DoorDash and Uber Eats, and a lot of them are just sharing about their experience doing gig work, sharing their tips and strategies, and letting you know how their day went and what kind of things they had happen, and what was complaining about this, or talking about this, how much money they made, just stuff like that. But one of the things that I don't see very often is I don't see anybody trying to promote anything. Like, there's no calls to action in their videos. Like, hey, if you like this or that, click on the link below in my description, and they don't have any pinned comments to their YouTube channel. So like, I don't even know if you know how to pin a comment, but it's easy. If anybody wants to know this stuff, it's out there. You probably already know how to do it. Maybe you're just not interested in doing it, but all you do is you make a comment on your own YouTube channel, and then over to the right is 3 dots, and you click on that, and you can click, press pin, and then acknowledge that you want to pin it to the top of your comments, and anybody who goes to make a comment is going to see that comment first, every time. And in that comment could be like a call to action. Hey, did you like watching the video? Leave me a comment below. But hey, did you like that thing that I was talking about in the video? Here it is right here. Go and click on this link. I don't know, just different things that you could do. But affiliate marketing is powerful, especially if you're building a channel, and if you're just doing it to create a way for you to get ad revenue. You might as well start now, because it's going to take a while to build up your channel, and in the meantime you could be promoting something. And I've got the perfect side hustle for you to promote, and it's not an MLM. So now it does have MLM businesses built into the platform that you don't have to be a part of, but the leads themselves are powerful. So here's the deal. I told you I'd show you how to flip the script. So let's say that somebody, gig worker, friends or family, comes to you and says, hey, let me tell you about my amazing opportunity, man. I'm so excited about it, and I want to see if if you got an open mind to, I'm working on this side project, are you looking to make some extra money? And then the next thing you could do is say, wow, that's great, man. I'm really happy for you. It looks like you could probably use a lot of leads, right? And they'd be like, they're not going to say no, right? Of course they need leads. The two things that every network marketer needs and every affiliate marketer needs is more leads. And the other thing that they need is a way to follow up with those leads. Okay, instead of having to chase them all the time. And AI is so powerful now, and that's what's built into this platform. So you could say to this person, oh wow, it looks like you need to make some, you need more leads, man. I've got a way for you to have unlimited leads, and not only that, but unlimited follow-ups with those leads. And you won't have to even chase anybody down. You won't even have to go talk to them. What do you think about that? And I don't think that they're going to say no. They're going to say, yeah. And now you've just changed the whole conversation, the whole dynamics of the conversation. When they came to you to ask you if you wanted to be in their opportunity, now you're positioning yourself as being the person who's providing the opportunity. You know what I mean? Like, now they're going to come and they're going to check out your opportunity. How can they get more leads? Unlimited leads. And not only unlimited leads, but unlimited follow-ups. And guess what? When they join as a member, boom, you're going to start creating a passive residual income. And as a member, there's going to be like 500 leads a month coming into the system and assigned to you. So not only are you going to be like promoting this organically through your YouTube channel, but when people come to you and try to pitch you on an MLM opportunity, but these leads are going to be coming in and you're not going to have to do the follow-up with them. AI is, and it's hands-off, hands-free. So I think it's the perfect way to create a passive residual income, an escape plan from the grind of the gig work. So if you want to do that, here's the call to action. Click the link below. Go and check it out for yourself. It's free to join. You don't even have to put in a credit card. And then even if you want to talk to Sparky AI and learn more about the system, I'd be happy to give you the number. You can call and talk to him. Shoot. Just leave me a comment below and I'll do that. And that's it. And that's the way that you can flip the script and start making money off those that are trying to recruit you into their amazing opportunity. See you on the next video.